Hello, my name is Daniel Suarez Barrios. I'm apprentice of the Touristic Guidance Program of the National Learning Service, or in Spanish, Sena. Today, I will introduce you to a very important monument in Cartagena de Indias, which is the San Felipe Fortress. We're going to review in my presentation two aspects that has to be with the history and also the importance of this big monument that is really important for Cartagena history itself. To talk about the San Felipe Castle, we need to locate it, and is located actually at the top of San Lázaro Hill overlooking the Caribbean waters. The Castillo de San Felipe de Barajas, as the local people call it, is an imposing fortress that has withstood the relentless pestes of that time, the ravages of history in Cartagena de Indias. Started to be built in 1536 and was finished around 1657. The colossal stones started to be created due to the defense that Cartagena de Indias was needing. In 1536, it started all the design that Spain was needing to protect the Cartagena Bay, and was the San Felipe de Barajas fortress, the one that was located as an strategic point with all this fortification that the Spanish people was creating. It costs around 13,325 gold pesos, and was finished after a long time. The fortress, as I told, is at San Lázaro Hill, and the hill actually nowadays has the same name, but all the structure is known as the San Felipe Fortress. It is really important in the history because thanks to this defense, we achieved many victories against many crowns, especially the England crown and the French crown. Actually, in 1741, there was a very wild battle between the Almirant Edward Vernon and Blas de Leso. Vernon, part of the England crown, and Blas de Leso, part of the Spanish crown. Edward Vernon was having around 186 ships and 27 soldiers, and he attempted to capture the city. In a legendary feat, Blas de Leso, with just 6 ships and around 3,600 men, repelled the invasion, defending the city against all the odds and consecrating the Castillo as the symbol of Colombian resistance against the European colonial powers, talking about the England crown. So the San Felipe de Barajas fortress is really important due to this one. And actually, when the governor Murga, that was the one that established that was necessary to build up a walled city and all, since these days he started to talk also about a military base, and this military base is the San Felipe de Barajas fortress. Cartagena has an heroic past, and this monument is like a monument to the human perseverance in the face of historical challenge. Nowadays, the fortress has many tunnels that used to be connected to the walled city, and these tunnels can have 600 meters in length each one. Today is really important, the fortress, because it's a well-known place, and it's also one of the main destinations whenever you come to Cartagena to visit, just to take a picture and to say I was in Cartagena. This has been all about the San Felipe Fortress. I hope that you enjoy all the information that I have been providing to you, and that we can see, or we can talk actually about the Cartagena history in another time. Thank you very much for paying attention to me. This was Daniel Suarez for the Touristic Guidance Program at the National Service Learning, and thank you very much.